Before buying a corded stick vacuum, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Bissell Featherweight Stick. The Bissell 2033M Featherweight Stick Vacuum. This caught my attention with its lightweight design and versatile features, making it perfect for quick cleanups. If you want a reliable vacuum that won't weigh you down, this is worth a serious look. This vacuum is all about convenience. Weighing less than 4 pounds, it easily converts from a stick vacuum to a hand vacuum, which is perfect if you need to clean tight corners or stairs. The powerful suction is engineered to handle both hard floors and low-pile carpets, so you won't have to switch vacuums depending on your cleaning needs. Plus, it has a 15-foot power cord, meaning continuous cleaning without battery worries. With over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many find it effective. Now, some people complained about the dirt cup capacity being only 0.71 quarts, which means you might have to empty it frequently. Here's the thing though, for quick cleanups, that's often a small price to pay, especially if you're not using it for large areas. This is perfect for you if you live in a small apartment or need a vacuum for quick cleanups. Skip this one if you have a large house with a lot of carpeted areas that need deep cleaning. For the price, it's a solid investment for those needing convenience. Now, if the Bissell's dirt cup capacity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bissell Featherweight Blue. The Bissell 2033 Featherweight Stick in blue. Just like its black counterpart, this vacuum is lightweight and compact, but it's also stylish. If you're looking for something that's easy to maneuver and looks good, this one might catch your eye. This model features the same 3-in-1 design, letting you switch from a stick vacuum to a handheld or stair vacuum effortlessly. With its powerful suction, it tackles both carpets and bare floors, making it versatile for any cleaning job. Weighing under 4 pounds, it's great for quick cleanups and easy to carry around. The 15-foot cord ensures you can reach several rooms without plugging and unplugging. And with 10,000 units sold recently, it's a popular choice. Some users mentioned that it can struggle a bit with thicker carpets. Here's the thing, it's designed for lighter cleaning tasks, so if you've got a lot of heavy carpet, it might not be your best bet, but for quick pickups, it shines. This is a great choice for anyone needing a lightweight vacuum for quick cleanups. Skip it if you have deep carpets requiring more powerful suction. For the price, it's a convenient option. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for pet owners. Product number 3, Shark Rocket HV301. The Shark Rocket Ultralight HV301. This vacuum is a great fit if you have pets or need something that handles different surfaces well. It's priced around $109, and honestly, it feels like a solid investment for its features. The Shark Rocket is a 2-in-1 stick and handheld vacuum, making it easy to clean high places or tight spots. It features powerful corded suction that deep cleans both carpets and hard floors. What's great is its lightweight design, under 9 pounds, so it's easy to maneuver around your home. Plus, it's equipped with a swivel steering control that helps you glide around furniture. With a dust cup that empties easily, you won't be spending a lot of time cleaning the vacuum itself. Now, some users pointed out that the dust cup is a bit smaller at 0.31 quarts, which means it fills up faster. Here's the thing though, if you're doing frequent cleanups, it's not a deal breaker, and the ease of emptying it makes up for it. This vacuum is perfect for pet owners or anyone needing versatility. Skip it if you have larger areas that need deep cleaning often. For the price, it offers great features for everyday cleaning. Now, if you're looking for something specifically designed for pet hair, the next one is a must-see. Product number 4, Shark Rocket Pet Plus. The Shark HV322 Rocket Pet Plus Corded Stick Vacuum. This one is specifically designed for pet hair pickup, and if you have furry friends at home, you'll want to stick around for this. The Shark Rocket Pet Plus has powerful suction that makes it ideal for removing pet hair and deep cleaning carpets. It features an XL dust cup of 0.9 gallons, so you can clean more without constantly stopping to empty it. Plus, with its LED headlights, you can spot hidden debris that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's lightweight and converts to a handheld vacuum, making it versatile for cleaning all areas of your home, including stairs and upholstery. However, some users express concerns about the vacuum being a bit noisy. Honestly, while it does get the job done effectively, if you're sensitive to noise, this might frustrate you. But for most pet owners, the effective suction outweighs the noise factor. This vacuum is perfect for pet owners needing something powerful and versatile. Skip it if noise is a deal breaker for you. For the features and performance, it's definitely worth the investment. All right, this last one is a real standout if you're looking for advanced technology and features. Product number 5, Shark Power Detect Ultralight Corded Stick Vacuum. This one is packed with technology that automatically adjusts to different floor types, which is pretty impressive. The Power Detect uses 2 brush rolls and IntelliSense technology to adapt the brush roll speed based on your floor type. It features self-cleaning capabilities, so you won't have to worry about hair wrapping around the brush roll. The vacuum is ultra lightweight, making it easy to maneuver, and it stands upright on its own, which is convenient for storage. It also has odor-neutralizing technology to keep your home smelling fresh. That said, some users found the price to be on the higher side compared to others. Here's the thing, the technology and features this vacuum offers can justify the cost if you're looking for efficiency and ease of use in your cleaning routine. This vacuum is perfect if you want the latest technology making cleaning easier. Skip it if you're on a tight budget and looking for something more basic. For its advanced features, it might be worth the splurge.
So there you have it. We covered the Bissell Featherweight Stick, the Bissell Featherweight Blue, Shark Rocket HV301, Shark Rocket Pet Plus, and the Shark Power Detect. Each of these has unique strengths depending on your cleaning needs. Choose wisely based on what matters most to you. And happy cleaning!